Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide taskbar in your Windows 11 PC or laptop here. So first of all, you need to click on your taskbar anywhere. So just right click on the taskbar here. And here you'll find the option called taskbar settings here. So just click on taskbar settings. After opening the taskbar setting here, you need to scroll down and find the option called taskbar behavior. So just click on taskbar behaviors. And if you go down, you'll find the option called automatically hide the taskbar. So you just need to turn on this option here. So just click on this option. And as you can see, the taskbar is now hide here. So if you get back to the taskbar here, you just need to move your cursor in the bottom here. And as you can see, the taskbar is now visible here. So this is how you can use the taskbar in Windows 11 after hiding the taskbar here. So if I move the cursor again, the taskbar is hiding now. So if I just go to the task at the bottom here, move my cursor, and this is how the taskbar is showing here. So that's it guys, this is how you can hide your taskbar in Windows 11 here. So if you want to move this option here, just click on this automatically hide the taskbar again, and the taskbar will get back to the previous version here. So that's it guys, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.